Welcome back to another SPACEGASS video tutorial. Today's video is a quick demo of how to import a line shape into the shape builder in SPACEGASS and convert it into a meshed plate. Let's say the following profile has to be imported into the SPACEGASS shape builder to create a member. The coordinates are saved in a spreadsheet. Start by drawing the member in SPACEGASS, say 2 meters long. Double-click on the member and open the shape builder. Select Line Shape from the top menu and copy the coordinates from the spreadsheet into the shape builder. Give it a thickness of 3 millimeters. The FEM section properties of the profile imported can now be calculated. Now assign material properties to the member and then click OK. The member with the imported profile can be viewed in the renderer. To convert this member into a meshed plate, select the member and right-click. From Member Tools, select Convert to Plates and assign the mesh sizes. The member is now converted to a fully meshed plate element. To add fastenings along the edges, select the plates along the top and bottom edges and split them to create nodes along the center. Select the required nodes on the top and bottom edges and apply node restraints. Apply the self-weight. Run a linear static analysis and view the results.